I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to secure your Degiro account by locking your card, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Degiro account. Start by accessing the Degiro website or app and entering your login credentials. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage your settings. Step 2. Navigate to the settings menu. Once logged in, locate the settings option in the main menu. This is where you can adjust various account preferences, including security settings. Step 3. Select security settings. In the settings menu, find and click on the security section. Here, you will see options related to your account's security features, including card management. Step 4. Lock your card. Look for the option that says lock card or similar. Click on it and confirm your choice to lock the card. This will prevent any transactions from being made using that card. Just be aware that if you accidentally lock your card, you may need to go through the unlocking process later, which can take a few minutes. Step 5. Verify the card's status. After locking your card, check the card's status in the SIM security settings. It should now indicate that your card is locked. This ensures that you've successfully secured your account. Now you can rest easy knowing your Degiro card is locked and secure. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.